This exam application tutorial is on the topic of evolution. The question for 6 marks is explain how evolution by natural selection brings about a change in a species. So what this question is asking you to do is state the cause of the development of a new feature, what creates new features in organisms, and give a general description of how a beneficial feature becomes commonplace in a population. So you don't have to talk about specific animals, but just talk about natural selection in general. You can use this writing frame to do it. So mutations are the cause of new features. So a mutation creates variation in the population. In other words, now features vary in the population. For example, some giraffes may have short necks, others may have longer necks. We have to acknowledge that some organisms have developed a beneficial feature, a feature that gives them an advantage over others. And explain that. So this beneficial feature makes it easier to perform a specific task. And because they can perform this specific task, this increases their chances of survival and, most importantly, reproductive success, because evolution does not occur without reproduction. So if you do not talk about reproduction, you've definitely missed a critical point. So up till now, we've talked about a feature developing and the benefit it offers, but how does this feature become common in a population? For example, all giraffes have long necks. Why? Well, firstly, this beneficial feature has to be inherited by the offspring, in other words, children. So this beneficial feature is passed down from parents to children. And a really important point to finish off with, in other words, how it becomes commonplace over many generations. So generation after generation, parents passing on their features to their offspring again and again. The beneficial feature becomes commonplace in the population. If you can understand this set writing frame, you can pretty much answer any question on how natural selection works.